pair of copper tongs. Okay, get your watch handy and tell me when to start a minute.
At 1 minute?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now?
Hang on. Now. Just 15 seconds.
Okay, this is a mixture of approximately 50-50 nitric acid and water.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, now you can see the pattern, but here we'll dunk it in here. It'll be much more interesting when I take it out. Yeah. And what we're going to do now is we're going to flare the liner so as to trap the band on it. Yesterday we made a narrower liner and we just soldered it on.
He showed me his ring.
Yeah, so that was all done with hard solder yesterday, except for when we soldered the ring to the liner. That was done with easy. Soft.
Okay. Yep. So you always go to the lighter.
Right. Step solder. What we do is refine the bar. Okay. Yeah, you want to make sure that it's pretty well centered visually. Okay.
And just ease it up on both sides.
Now what I did is I picked a ball. See, the next one, it may have gone all the way through. Yeah, like that one goes all the way through. That one is close. So I picked one that's just a little bit bigger so that, you know, if I pound on this, if you look at the straight edge, here's kind of a straight edge. Okay, there's not a whole lot of height there. Between the end of the ball and the bottom of the thing.
Okay. I see what you
Okay.
mean.
So now what we're going to do is concentrate on getting this thing right smack dab in the middle where we want it. And that looks good. So I'm going to take the next size down because that will hit the, see that already hit the
You don't want that.
the plate. So that's not big enough, so we're working with the right one. Okay, so you just go tap, and what you do is you turn it over, and you go tap. Okay, so you can see now that it's flared a little bit on both sides. And if you try and spin the ring now, it won't spin anymore. But can you see the flare? You can see the flare a little bit? You can see the flare a little bit?
Yes.
Okay. So what we do now is we just go, and I think we just bottomed out. Okay, so then we go.
The next biggest one.
We'll go up, bing, 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 go up 2 sizes for the next one.
Oh,
Tap, tap. Turn it over. Tap, tap. Okay, see now it's flaring more. Now what size is this when we started?
inside,
Yeah,
12.
12. Now there's going to be an interesting phenomenon.
This is a ring you're making for yourself.
Do you think you got bigger
possibly.
or smaller?
Do I think I would think it would be smaller because it would be pushing the metal in the center in. But I don't know if that's
You're
correct. Huh?
It's now a 12 1/4. What size was it?
Oh, it started out at being a 12.
A 12? Okay.
So it did get bigger. I was
Yeah,
wrong. I
but
thought it would get
now
smaller.
that we're flaring it more. Okay. See, now it's almost at the point where the flares are higher than the band. Okay.
It's freaking awesome is what it is.
And it's real close. Okay, now it's about an 11 1/2.
So I was right. It does
Yeah.
bend
See,
the center in.
It flares out as you're.
It comes in, but it's kind of like a comfort fit now, then, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's very comfortable. See, now we can keep flaring it until they come right up. And the next step would be to put it, do like this. We'll find the one that fits about the closest
Okay,
there.
yeah.
Okay. Tappy tappy.
Just tap it in. Tap, tap, tappy.
And you want to try and keep it centered. And notice how I go around the edge of the thing. I'm not hitting real hard. Okay, now the rims are definitely higher than your thing. All right, at this point in time, all right, we've got it pretty well centered. So now, what you want to do is now you can put on a lathe and file these down,
Okay.
and then the final thing would be to cinch it up tight. But before you do that, what you can also do is mill grain the edge.
Yeah.
So let's.
I want to do a little.
Is that pressing it over the lip? Is that what that told us?
Now what it's doing, oops, I need to move it just a little bit. Now see the wobble, you can see the tool moving. But what I'm doing is I'm catching the edge of the silver